Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you eBay how to end auction early. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to end an eBay auction early, you can only end an auction early under certain conditions, like you are the seller, the auction has fewer than 12 hours left, no bids have been placed, and if bids exist, you can only cancel under special conditions. Now to do it, simply head over and open up your eBay application and be sure to be logged into your account with your seller account. Then once you're inside the seller account, on the home screen you'll find an option that says My eBay. Simply select that, and now what you need to do is under selling, simply select selling option, and then once you're inside your selling, select active, and now once you're inside here, what you need to do is locate the auction listing you want to end early. Then inside, what you need to do is tap on the listing and then tap on end listing option, and then once you tap on end listing, read the warning example, fees may apply, buyers may be affected, and once that's done, simply click on end listing to confirm. And once you have confirmed it, the auction ends immediately and the selected item is removed from the active listings. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.